What's going on, guys? Today we have some hazelnut flavored Kit Kats. Trying to figure out the nutrition facts here and what they did. This does not look like one of those like American Kit Kats. It's not. It's not in English. I don't know what country it's from. Trying to figure that out. I don't remember where I got it from. I bought a whole bunch of stuff for reviews. Yeah. So if you guys know what part of the world this is from, if I look it up before editing this video, I'll put it down here. But yeah, it's I don't know, maybe Italian, something, whatever. Anyway, hazelnut. Let's get into. I'd show you the nutrition facts, but if you know how to read whatever language that is with your magnifying glass, and go for it. But if not, what does it taste like, and is it worth buying? I don't know. Kit Kat my break. Hashtag my break. Little melted. Overall, I feel like the wafer portion is a little bland. The chocolate is good. It creeps in on you. It's like the aftermath, which is very strange because on the outside. I feel like on a regular Kit Kat, you get the chocolate first, then the wafer inside crap. Hazelnut is definitely there. It's delicious. Get it in the mouth and then chew. Don't chew first. Yeah. Definitely buy these. If you guys like hazelnut, I love hazelnut. I love hazelnut. Love it. These hazelnut Kit Kats, definitely go out and buy them. They're awesome. Just buy them. Trust me. These are good. I'm not paid or sponsored. And that's it. If you guys like food reviews, check out the food review playlist section. Drop a comment down below if you've tried these or know what country they're from. I have no idea. And that's it. Take care.